Pidgey. That's the time my favorite remix to you. You wanna prime everything. People don't know that it's gonna be. Everybody see again. I don't hear to anybody. You will try to get to me. You will try to get to me. Oh, anything you feeling, you can talk to me. Anything you feeling, you talk to me. I get it up for you. Everything is gonna buy you. Oh, I don't know where to go. My dad wanna fight me. People don't know that it's going. Family wanna fight me. Nobody knows. You better everything to me. I know you. I wanna try to do my things. Everything's gonna back down to me. I say, my friend, when it's gonna bother you? I say, my friend, when it's gonna bother me? Oh, I wanna try to travel to find anything so like it. I wanna try to find travel to get anything to me. I want to suffer. Suffer. I want to suffer. Feeling alright. I try my best. You get me everything. I try my best. I know what is gonna about me before I'm child. My father say everything to me. My father say everything to me. I wanna understand now. My father say, if I'm ready for anything is going, you try to succeed. You are from ready to fight against it in the spiritual life. You are from ready to fight it against you in the spiritual life. You my son, I take care for your life. You, my son, I take care for your life. Oh, every time, try to pray to God. Maybe I'm waiting into the God. That is gonna about me. It is rough from Rick.